Hello everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. It's all about finance. Ako po muli si RHEA Jane Agaton BERSAMIN, a certified public accountant and a financial educator. Now I will explain the steps on how to get your own Kaiser plan. But before that, please like on this video and subscribe on this channel. Siguro napanood nyo na yung Kaiser video ko. Sa mga hindi pa nakapanood ng Kaiser long-term care video ko, please check that video on my channel for more information. Ito din po yung link. It is provided in the description and comments below. So, to get your own Kaiser plan, we have two options. Option 1, via online, and option 2, offline or form submission. So, discuss muna natin yung option 1. So, use this link. It is also provided in the comments and description below. Click nyo na lang yung link. Ito yung lalabas. Fill up natin yung first name. So, example, Juan, yung middle name Abad, yung last name, De La Cruz. Tapos sa birthday, drop down muna natin yung year. Then, saka na yung month and day. So, example, December 15, 1985. Then, the email address, jc@gmail.com kasi mag-email yan ng link regarding your application. So, click natin yung create code. Here, pipili tayo ng plan name or plan type. May mga murang plans naman like plan K45. So, for example, we choose plan K100 kasi ito yung na-discuss ko dun sa Kaiser video ko. Then, pili tayo ng payment form. For example, nagbayad tayo sa bank, so we choose others. Pag-click natin ng compute code, lalabas yung benefit. Please refer na lang sa Kaiser video ko kasi na-explain ito thoroughly doon. So, here, pipili tayo ng terms of payment. Pipili tayo either monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, annual, or spot cash. So, for example, we choose annual mode of payment. So, 58,821 yan per year. 7 years lang, long-term na yung benefits natin. So, ito yung mag-appear. Then, the application must send yan sa email address natin. So, we can go back to that application through email or pwede naman nating i-click tong complete application now. So, tingnan natin kung tama yung mga details. So, click tayo ng next kung okay naman. Kung hindi, create tayo ulit. So, for example, okay naman. So, click natin yung next. So, fill up natin yung needed data, especially yung mga naka-asterisk. Pag seaman kayo, fill up natin yung port destination natin. So, drop down lang natin yan. Then, okay na, click natin yung next. So, here, fill up tayo ng maximum of 4 beneficiaries. Sila yung maka-receive ng life insurance value in case of our death. And yung number 1 beneficiary, yung magmamana ng plan and maka-receive ulit ng maturity value upon maturity. Once na fill up na natin, click natin yung next. Ito yung medical history. So, kung wala naman tayong mga major medical history, so click natin yung no. So, here, click natin yung authorization to furnish medical information. So, click natin yung submit. Yan, ma-review natin yung application form natin sa baba. Kung tama naman lahat yan, so type your name here and draw your signature in the box. Click natin tong accept the terms of this agreement. Now, let's go to the payment stage. So, click natin yan. Ito yung mag-appear. Yung 58,821 na premium kanina plus 500 policy fee per year, kaya naging 59,321. So, we have a lot of payment options. Pwedeng sa Palawan Express. Through Palawan Express, you will get the instructions and the code to use. So, no need to upload na sa system. You will receive a confirmation regarding your payment. Then, kapag money remittance, bank deposit, and online bank transfers, kailangan natin i-upload ang proof of payment sa system. So, ito yung mga bank accounts. Pag ito yung ginamit natin, kailangan natin i-upload sa system. Yun yung i-explain natin. Then, kapag debit card or credit card naman, just input the details and no need na rin to upload the proof of payment. So, for example, we use online bank transfer. So, ito yung i-discuss natin na kailangan i-upload yung proof of payment. That's why kailangan i-save natin yung proof of payment natin. So, once we click online bank transfer, ito yung mag-appear. Fill up lang natin yung data needed and click the bank deposit or remittance and next step. So, for example, we pay through BDO or Banco de Oro. Ito yung mag-appear. So, ito yung details sa bank and we click this blue link to upload the proof of payment. So, here, fill up muna natin yung bank name, date, time, deposit code. Refer na lang lang sa sample deposit slip, and then the amount paid, then select natin yung file to upload. So, for example yan, you may screenshot that as a proof na na-upload na yung payment. And then, click natin yung submit. Here, your payment is under verification. So, i-verify pa yan within few banking days. So, yan yung option 1. So, ito naman yung option 2 or the offline method. Fill up Kaiser forms. 4 pages yan. So, ito yung application forms. The first page, the second page, third page, and the fourth page. So, email this signed forms with your ID. Pwede nyo itong i-screenshot, then print to fill up manually and sign. You email the signed forms with your ID to my email ad, rheajaneagaton@yahoo.com. So, pwede nyo i-picture yan para masend sa akin. Please indicate the subject, Kaiser application of indicate your full name. For subsequent Kaiser payments, I have my separate video on this too. So we have a lot of options para sa susunod na payment. So ito yung link provided also in the description and comments below. So yun lang po. Thank you sa pakikinig. I hope you share this video to your friends and please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless!